Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Citi Double Cash Card online. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So for this demonstration, I'll be logging in using my web browser on my laptop. So I'm going to open up Google Chrome, and then in the search bar I'm going to type in citi.com. This is the official website of the Citi Cash Card. So as you can see, this is the official site here, citi.com. And now from here, if you don't have an account, you can sign up to one here by having a look at all the different cards, etc. But to sign on, what you can do is put in your user ID here, your password. You can click on remember user ID and click on sign on. Or if you need to activate, you can click on activate, register. And for whatever reason, if you've forgotten your user ID, you can click on forgot user ID or password. And if you still need more help, you can click on how can we help, and then just go through the so yeah, you can type in forgotten user, password, I need help, etc. They're really good at helping out and retrieving accounts.